Let us discuss this example. In this example, we have this function and we have to find its Laplace transform. In previous videos, we have already seen formulas, okay, that means Laplace transform of some standard functions. So you have to by heart those formulas so you can easily solve such types of problems. Let us start to discuss this example. What we have, I'm writing it first, Laplace of, we have to find its Laplace of 4t square plus sine 3t plus e raised to 2t. As I told you earlier, if there is addition or subtraction, we can take separate Laplace, as well as if there are any constants, we can take them outside. We will go slowly. Okay, so that means what will I do? I will take Laplace of each function separately. Laplace of 4t square plus Laplace of sine 3t plus Laplace of e raised to 2t. See, 4 is a constant which is multiple of t square, and we have constant and we take it outside. Let us take it outside. So this is equal to 4 Laplace of t square plus Laplace of sine 3t plus Laplace of e raised to 2t. So I will write the formula which we have. So Laplace of t raised to n. If n is natural number, we have a formula n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. If n is a natural number and we have the t square, 2 is a natural number, so that formula is applicable here. The next is Laplace of sine 3t function we have, and we have the formula Laplace of sine 80 is equal to a upon a square plus a square. So this formula is applicable here, right? And the last one is Laplace of e raised to 2t. So we have a formula Laplace of e raised to 80 is equal to 1 upon s minus a. If we have plus a, we write minus a there, and if we have minus a, we write plus a there, right? So these formulas are applicable here, so let us apply them. This is equal to 4 Laplace of t square. Using that formula, what can we write? N is 2, so 2 factorial upon s raised to 2 plus 1, 3 plus Laplace of sine 3t. So the second formula we can use here. So a is equal to 3. So 3 upon a square plus 3 square, which is 9, plus Laplace of e raised to 2t. What we have? Laplace of e raised to 80. So a is equal to 2. So that formula we can use, and we will have 1 upon s minus 2. Let me simplify it. 2 factorial means 2. 2 into 4 we will have 8 upon s cube plus 3 upon a square plus 9 plus 1 upon s minus 2. So this is a required answer. Okay, we will discuss one more example, make a screenshot of it, and then we will go further. Let us discuss this second example. In this second example, we have this function, we have a bracket square, and we have to find its Laplace. Let us start to solve. So I consider Laplace of, let me write Laplace of sine 2t minus cos 2t whole square. See, we cannot take separate Laplace since we have a bracket square. Okay, so in next examples also we will face a situation. So that means multiplication is there. If addition or subtraction is there, definitely we can take separate Laplace. But if you have multiplication, if you have division, if you have power, getting, so you cannot take separate Laplace. In those cases, we have to use some formulas of trigonometry or some bracket expansion formula, and we have to simplify. What will I do? I will do the same thing. Here we have a bracket square, so I am going to use the formula a minus b bracket square. Okay, so its formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. I am going to apply that formula here. A is sine 2t and b is cos 2t. So this is equal to Laplace of sine square 2t minus 2ab, that means 2 sine t cos t, right? 2 sine 2t cos 2t plus cos square 2t, right? So that formula I use here. So now addition subtraction is there, we can take separate Laplace, but the very important thing is we have sine square plus cos square. So you must know the formula cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, or you can say sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. But the angle must be same. We have the same angle 2t we have, and here is also angle 2t. So sine square plus cos square we will have 1. So this is equal to Laplace of, okay, we can replace these two functions by 1 minus 2 sine t, sine 2t cos 2t. See, one more formula we have seen in trigonometry, that is 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Okay, so this formula also we have sine 2 theta. Let me write it here. So this formula we have used this formula also, right? So 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. Same function we have. Theta is 2t, getting? So 2 sine 2t cos 2t. So what can we write using that formula? Will you tell me? It is 1 minus sine. What we have to do? We have to write 2 theta, twice of theta. So twice of 2t is 4t. So we have sine 4t. So we had a complicated function, right? So we simplified it and we have got a very simple form. So simply subtraction is there, so we can take separate Laplace. So this is equal to Laplace of 1 minus Laplace of sine 4t, right? What is Laplace of 1? Laplace of 1 is 1 by its first formula, okay, which we have already seen. So the question is, what is Laplace of sine 4t? So that formula also we have Laplace of sine 80. The formula we have a upon a square plus a square. So this formula we have. So this formula we can use here. What is 80? Here we have 40. So at a place of a we have a 4. So at a place of a we can put 4 there. So minus 4 upon a square plus 4 square, which is 60. So this is the required answer. Make a screenshot of it and then we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.